What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be dropping the Nothing Phone 2a onto concrete to see how it handles. I'll also be taking this phone apart, so if you're interested in seeing the teardown, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Before I start, I'll remove the pre-installed screen protector. For the first drop, I'll drop it onto the screen from waist height. So looking at the screen, I really don't see any damage. I can't find any marks on the screen itself. However, I see some minor scrapes on the frame, but it's not really that visible with the white color. As far as the screen goes, it's not damaged and works perfectly fine. I also don't see any damage on the rest of the phone. For the second drop, I'll drop it again onto the screen, but this time from head height. Again, looking at the screen, I really don't see any damage to the screen itself, no scrapes or scratches, and I'm really surprised to see no cracks on the screen. There are however some additional scrapes and scratches on the frame itself, but nothing major or anything too visible. The screen still works fine with no issues. Moving on to drop number 3. This time I'll drop it from waist height onto the back. Taking a look, no major damage, just a few scrapes. The screen still works fine with no issues. Now onto the fourth and final drop. I'll attempt to drop it on the side from waist height. It didn't really hit the side as much as it hit the screen. So looking at the frame, there are some minor scrapes. However, no damage to the screen, and everything works great. Considering this phone is not really designed to be a rugged phone, and the fact that it's a fraction of the cost of most flagship devices, I'm really surprised to see it handled this well. This phone is shaping up to be a durable device, and it's a phone you'd be able to use without having the need for a case, so you can comfortably show off the aesthetics and design. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the teardown.